simply we will find our way. Where is our island? Beneath the golden heart of a murky night, we will let our worries stay play. We ever read the duster among the flowers that bloom regret. We will let our dream find their play. We ever read the words bye. In this sun gets the moment, we will touch the sky. We will touch the sky. Of the sun's embrace, we will find hope in the scarce space. We every burst of the sun, let's burst in the sunlight stroll. Wherever one's meant to go, we ever summon a promise made. In this sunburn symphony, we will never fade. Wherever we're sent to go, we will let our dream find the play. We ever embrace the whispers by. In this sun-kissed moment, we will touch the sky. Beneath the golden heart of a morning night, we will let our world take place. We ever read